Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to How to Browser. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of how to delete search history on YouTube on your Android or iPhone device. So if you decided you want to clear your search history, this video is for you. So don't worry, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. It's actually a very simple process. So now let's jump right into the video. So please now open YouTube application and then select library. You need to be on library because here in library you have playlist, you have movies, here are your videos, you have history. So that's why please select library, and here in library please tap on view. Please select view, and here on view please select the three dots, tap on the three dots. From here you need to select history controls, and here in history controls you need to tab on clear search history. Please tab on clear search history. Tap on clear search history, and now from here clear search history. Your YouTube search history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Your video recommendations will be reset but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. So please tap on clear search history. Tap on please search history cleaned, as you can see, and now basically you cleaned your search history. So tap on your profile and then go to settings, and here in settings please select history and privacy. Please select history and privacy, and here we have the same settings. All you need to do is to tap on clear search history. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. This will help the channel, and also like for more if this video helped you. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Take care.